Hey friends, Ivan here and welcome into another video series here where we break down a haircut. We show you every snip, we show you every clip. This time it's going to be a slightly longer, taller flat top, and the key here is 100% of the haircut is going to be cut with our flat topper tool. We're going to square the sides, we're going to flatten the top, we're going to polish it up. We're going to do it all with a great do-it-all kind of tool. It's a great blending tool. It's classic flat top tool. We're going to be using a clipper and a trimmer, and we're going to be using a Zoot comb for some of the lining, edging, and detailing along the bottom for the real small stuff. But this is the entire step, the entire process, all the way through with our flat topper tool. You need a flat topper tool, there's a link in the video description. You need a Zoot comb, there's a link in the video description. You need a good caliber clipper or a trimmer, there's a link in the video description. We're going to take our way through. This one's going to take us 12 videos start to finish. This is where we're going, and we're going here in the next video. Thanks for being a part of it all. Let's get this party started. Have a great day.